Hello and welcome to this script about the critical path method and its usefulness for project managers. As a project management tool, the critical path method, CPM, is widely used for planning and scheduling complex projects. In this video, we will discuss what the critical path method is and why it is essential for project managers. The critical path method is a project management technique used to identify the most critical tasks or activities that must be completed within a specified time frame to ensure that the project is completed on time. It is a tool that enables project managers to plan, schedule, and manage the activities required to complete a project. The critical path method involves identifying all the tasks or activities that are required to complete a project, estimating the duration of each task, and determining the dependencies between them. Once all the tasks and dependencies have been identified, the critical path method creates a visual representation of the project's timeline, highlighting the activities that are on the critical path. The critical path is the sequence of activities that must be completed on time to ensure that the project is completed within the specified time frame. Any delay in completing activities on the critical path will result in a delay in the project's completion date. Now let's discuss why the critical path method is useful for project managers. Here are some of the benefits of using the critical path method. Identifying the critical path. One of the most significant benefits of using the critical path method is that it helps project managers to identify the critical path, which is the sequence of activities that must be completed on time to ensure that the project is completed within the specified time frame. Knowing the critical path allows project managers to focus their efforts on completing the most critical tasks and activities, which can help ensure that the project is completed on time. Resource allocation. The critical path method can help project managers allocate resources more efficiently. By knowing which activities are on the critical path, project managers can focus their resources on those activities, which can help ensure that the project is completed on time. Managing dependencies. The critical path method helps project managers manage dependencies between tasks or activities. By understanding the dependencies between tasks, project managers can schedule tasks in the correct order and ensure that tasks are completed on time. Risk management. The critical path method can help project managers manage risks associated with project delays. By knowing which tasks are on the critical path, project managers can focus their risk management efforts on those tasks, which can help mitigate the impact of any delays. In conclusion, the critical path method is a powerful project management tool that helps project managers plan, schedule, and manage the activities required to complete a project on time. By identifying the critical path, allocating resources efficiently, managing dependencies, and managing project risks, the critical path method can help project managers ensure that their projects are completed successfully. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.